Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through easy steps to create menu navigation for the header and footer of your Shopify store. Here's what we'll be doing. I'll show you how to set up 3 navigation menus, 1 for the header and 2 for the footer. In the header menu, we'll add links to your collection pages, making it super easy for customers to browse your store. For the footer menus, we'll include links to important policy pages and informational pages like About Us, FAQs, and Contact Us. It's going to be quick, simple, and totally beginner-friendly, so stick around and let's get started. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be adding collection links to the header menu. So, the first step is to create your collection pages. Don't worry, it's super simple. Here's how you do it. Open Shopify dashboard. Click on Products and then navigate to Collections. Click the Create Collection button. In the title field, you'll enter the name of your collection. For example, if you're selling t-shirts, just type t-shirts in the title field. Next, choose your collection type. Manual. In this type of collection you'll have to add products manually. In automated smart collection, products will automatically be added based on conditions you set. For this video, I'm keeping it simple and going with manual. If you want to explore creating conditions for smart collections, I recommend diving deeper into that later. It's a super powerful feature. You can also add more details about your collection in the description field if needed. Once everything's filled out, just hit the Save button, and your collection is good to go. Repeat this process to create as many collections as you need for your store. Now, let's move on to the next step. Alright, now let's move on to creating pages for your footer navigation. It's super simple. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store and navigate to Pages. At the top right corner, click the Add Page button. In the title field, enter the name of your page. If you want to add content, simply type it in the content box. To make the page live and accessible in your navigation, set the visibility option to visible. Once you're done, click the Save button, and your page is ready to go. You can repeat this process to create as many pages as you need for your Shopify store. Alright, now let's move on to creating your policy pages. Here's how you can do it. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, then navigate to Policies. On this page, you'll see all the policy sections: return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and more. To create a policy, simply click on the one you want to edit, like the return and refund policy. Add your content here. For now, I'll quickly add some dummy text as an example. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Repeat this process for all your other policy pages to ensure they're ready and accessible in your navigation menus. Now that we've created collections, pages, and policies, it's time to set up the navigation for your store's header and footer. Let's dive into that next. Here's what you need to do. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Content, and then navigate to Menus. On this page, click the Create Menu button in the top right corner to start a new menu. In the name field, I'm going to call this Menu Header since we'll be adding it to the header of the store. Next, click on Add Menu Item, then click on the link box and choose Collections. Here, you'll see all the collections you've created in your store. Simply pick the one you want to add to your menu. The collection's name will automatically appear in the label field. Now, just click the little checkmark icon to confirm, and it'll be added to your menu. Let me quickly add a few more collections so we can move on. As you can see, I've added 5 collections to the header navigation. Now, all that's left is to click the Save button, and your navigation is ready to go. Alright, now let's create the first menu for the footer. To set up a menu for your store's informational pages, click the Create Menu button again. For the menu name, I'll call it Company since this menu will include all the store's informational pages. Next, click on Add Menu Item, then go to the link box and select Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages you've already created for your store. Just pick the page you want to add, then click the checkmark icon to confirm. Let me quickly add 2 more pages using the same method. Once that's done, we'll move on to creating the final menu for policies. And there you have it. I've added 2 more menu items. Now, just click the Save button, and your menu is good to go. Let's keep building. Next up is the Policies menu. Now, let's create the final menu for the footer, Policies menu. Simply click on the Create Menu button again. I'm going to call it Policies since we'll be adding all of your policy pages to this menu. Next, click on Add Menu Item, and when you click the link box, select Policies from the list to see all the policy pages you've created. Just select the ones you want to add to this menu, and they'll be automatically added. Let me quickly add all the policy pages using the same method. And there you go. I've added all the policy pages. Now, just click Save to save your menu. Now we've got all 3 menus set up. Next, let's show them on your store using the theme editor. To open the theme editor, click on Online Store, then hit the Customize button on the right-hand side. In the theme editor, select Header and navigate to the main menu section. Click on the selection box next to Main Menu and select Replace Menu. You'll see all the menus you've created, but as you know, we created a menu called Header. That's the one we'll use for our header navigation. Simply select the Header menu, and you'll see the menu items instantly update in the header. And just like that, your header menu is live. Now, let's add the 2 menus to the footer. Scroll down the left sidebar and click the plus icon to add a menu block. Click on the selection box next to the footer menu and click on Replace. For the first menu, select the company navigation we created earlier. In the heading, you can either use the same name as the menu or customize it with a new one. Next, let's repeat the same steps to add the Policies menu. Let me quickly add that. And there you have it. Your footer now displays both the company and Policies menus. That's it for today. Now you know how to create collections, pages, and policies, and how to add them to different menu navigations on your store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.